My name is Nora Coleman. I'm a pediatric intensive care physician at Children's Healthcare of Atlanta, and I'm really passionate about understanding the intersection of hospital design and patient safety. As we think about technology and how digital design is going to enhance the design process, it's still important to do work in a physical mock-up space. And that's because healthcare delivery and care delivery is so highly complex. You really need people to interact with their environment, interact with equipment and other personnel to really understand how this physical space is going to shape and influence care.
I think cognitively, having that kind of proprioception and being able to interact with your own body within that physical environment and the impact that that has on your decision making and subsequently your behavior is very interesting to me.
Mir zeigt eben jetzt diese Erfahrung mit Nora, wir müssen viel mehr simulieren und das machen wir viel zu selten. Ich mache schon Prototyping, aber eben nicht so.
Jede Interessensgruppe hat immer das Gefühl, sie sind im Recht. Aber wir müssen uns als grosse Einheit und als grosses Team sehen und durch das Teamgefühl wie einfach zusammen versuchen, das Beste anzubringen. Und das konnte ich mitnehmen von diesem Workshop, dass sie jetzt aus der Healthcare-Seite schon noch ganz andere Punkte nennen konnten, die für sie extrem wichtig sind, die jetzt wir vielleicht aus der Planung oder aus der Architekturseite jetzt nicht unbedingt priorisieren würden.
What's really unique about this center is it can bring people from across disciplines and across cultures to a neutral space to really investigate, share ideas, and really think and shape about how we can design hospitals to be better and safer and more efficient.
It was really valuable to hear from Nora about how to apply design principles that I was familiar with, but to the context of patient safety in hospitals, and then to be able to play out a scenario within the simulation of an operating theatre. So taking the patient from the reception area all the way through the system.
Nora hat eben die Experience, die ich gebraucht habe. Und die habe ich versucht aufzusaugen in den 2 Tagen.
I hope people left today feeling like they had tools and built a network that they can apply some of these practical applications to their everyday work.